Welcome to a special edition of PORINETIA TV, live from the island of Tahiti, the birthplace of the Ori Tahiti. At the conservatoire, Moinao Rivera interviews participants of the Ori Tahiti Training Course. PORINETIA TV, the place to feel, to connect, to learn, to become Polynesia.
So hi Miki.
Hi.
So you are in charge of the registrations for all the dancers from all over the world.
Yes.
Here in the conservatoire for the Ori Tahiti Training Course.
Yes.
So tell me how many dancers we have this year.
This time, 36 dancers from United States, Japan, London, and also Mexico and Taiwan and Sweden.
Oh wow.
Yes, many countries.
Is it your first time attending the Ori Tahiti training course?
Yes, it's my first time here in the conservatory.
Okay, and then so what level are you?
I'm doing the first one, the level 1.
Okay, and where are you from?
I was born here in Tahiti, and but I grew up in Spain with my mother. So I'm here to be in contact with my ancestors and my origin. So this is really important for me to be here.
Why did you decide to do the Ori Tahiti training course?
Well, I'm also a teacher, and I do have an association, a Polynesian association. So my pleasure is to let the people know about the Polynesian culture. So it's a good reference for me to be here, so I can teach my students in my school in Spain. My students, I think they just fall in love with the Polynesian culture, just not the dance, but all the culture, about the food, about the music, about the island. So I think it's when you're learning about Ori Tahiti, you're learning also about the culture, because it's a whole thing. Huh? You need to be conscious about all the different themes, and this is what they like. Yaura Tahiti Ibiza. And my name is Melody Nouveau.
My name is Desiree Woodward Lee. I'm from San Francisco, California. My group is Pupu Ori o Hina Aru Nui. I brought 5 of my dancers here, 2 from Mexico and 3 from San Francisco.
Okay, so Desiree, tell me about you, because I know you attended the Ori Tahiti training course a lot of times, and you finished all the 6 levels. Yeah, say it. Tell me about that.
It was a great experience. I finished 4 years ago in 2014 with level 6. It's always great to come back and see new people that come through the course, and see how many people are returning to continue their levels to the end.
The fact that you got the diploma, did it help you in your dance school?
Yes, after I received my diploma, I didn't open my school until 2 years later, just to prepare myself of what that meant to open a school. Yeah.
Did it give you like more authority or more validation maybe?
Maybe more validation in the States, more than anything else, but not so much authority, because I feel like the authority will always be on the Finwa.
Okay.
My name is Lily, but my last name is Tanematea, because my husband is from here. I'm from Mexico. I have been here for almost 40 years. I came with Jill Olan. I dance professionally, and I am in the conservatory for almost 10 years, because I bring girls from Latin America, from Chile, from Mexico, from Argentina, everywhere for the workshop.
How many dancers did you bring this year?
8 dancers. Yes.
All from Mexico City or from other cities of Mexico?
Yes, from different cities of Mexico, from the center, from the north, and 2 from Chile.
Is it their first time participating at the Ori Tahiti training course, or Or they are the level second?
There are two level second, two. Okay, it's the second time I brought them to here for the second time, and the others is the first time. They are very, very happy. It's a dream come true. Yes, very happy.
So we are London School of Hula and Ori. We come from London in the UK, and we are here to study not just dance, but culture, history, love, life, everything.
Is it you guys' first time here in Tahiti?
Yes, this is my first time and I'm so excited to be here. It's like dream come true.
Oh, that's good. So now I see you guys are in white, so that means you participated at the Ori Tahiti Training Course?
Yes.
So first time?
First time, absolutely. And the white means it's level 1, so first timers, basically.
So tell me about your feeling. Were you stressed? Were you...
Yes, I was endlessly stressed. It's a big deal to be in Tahiti and be validated by the people that create the dance somehow, and yeah.
Elaine, tell me about your feeling about the course and the test.
I'm really glad I did it, because the thing is that this is now my 9th trip to Tahiti, and I've heard so much about the conservatoire. So I just wanted to see what it was actually like. So I'm really glad I did it. It's quite nerve-wracking, as Camille said, being rated by people who have, the originators of the dance. But it's a good experience too. So yeah.
Perfect. Will you come back?
Absolutely. Just a question of when.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Hi, Moon.
Hi, Yorana.
So Moon, tell me about yourself.
So my name is Moon. I'm 35 years old. I've been teaching since 14 years old here at the conservatoire. I have my gold medal at 17 years old, and right now I'm still a teacher. So we were happy to have the students from Japan, Mexico, Ukraine, and a lot from US and from Sweden, right, and from all over the world. So Ori Tahiti Training was born again. I don't know which date, but it's been, I think, 19 years. I don't remember. I don't have the.
But it's been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while, right?
Okay, so you have a lot of dancers. So who taught the girls? Who trained the girls this week?
Yeah, so I took the level 1 this week. I teach them the basic steps, the basic motion, how to do it correctly for the steps, because it's not only moving, shaking butt. It's from the top of your head until down, and it's kind of difficult for some of them because they think that they just have to shake, but when they come here, they just they get die because they have to review how the way they dance. So it's not an easy thing for them sometimes.
Okay, so to be able to pass level 1, for example, what does it take for them to pass the level?
So they have to know the basic steps, like the FARE UPA, the Tahiti Training, the Tumami, the Varu, and the Ori Opu. That's how we learn for the level 1. I can say they know how to do it, but they don't know how to do it correctly, the way that the conservatoire teach. So we have our own way to teach the students, and sometimes it's not easy for them because they get tired because of the flight. They arrive here on Monday, so we have to. It's like a motivation for me too. That I have to push them, push, and try to make myself understand because we have different countries, so it's not easy for me too because I have to speak English, I have to know how to speak Japanese and sometimes Spanish and French. It's okay, but it's difficult for me too because it takes a long time to explain, and they have to know how to do the basic steps. It's the most important thing to pass the level 1. And we have special prize on level 6, the Mami Louise prize, Mami Louise Kimitete prize, and have to be sensual, have to know all the basic steps, you have to know all the technique for the steps, how to go down, how to do everything for dance.
Does a lot of dancers get to level 6? Is it hard to get to that level?
Well, until now we can count on hands, but we have one dancer who bring her dancers now from San Francisco, Desiree Woodward, and she got the first one who got this prize, Mami Luis Kimitete's prize. I even don't have this prize. So yeah, congrats to her because her student is very good. I can say this year, 2018, at level 1, we have a good level for the level 1.
Okay, so Moon, everybody say you're the best teacher in the world. Is that right?
Well, I think maybe because I have easy contact with the person, and I love my job more than money. We need money, but I love my job. My grandmother, Mami Luis Kimitete, teach me how the way to dance, how to teach, because it's not the same. To be a dancer and to be a teacher, it's not the same. I can say that I'm a little bit sassy with my students, because sometimes I just say that, hey, where's my stick? I'm gonna slap you because you don't do it correctly. So yeah, I go around the world, like Japan. In January, I go to Mexico. It would be my first time. And then I went to San Francisco, to California, to Hawaii. I can say I won't be like, I'm the best one, but I can say that I like to teach how to dance Tahitian dance, our traditional dance. So maybe that's what people like, because I'm in a very good contact with them. I'm human.
It's true. That's why everybody says. So when are you coming back in California? We want you.
I would like to, because I will go with my friend Desiree Woodward. I will go with her, and I will let you know. Of course. Thank you.